Hey guys, today I'm going to be uncovering an AI-powered tool for architectural and design visualization called ReRender.
ReRender generates photorealistic renderings from still images, sketches, or even 3D models. Now let's say you are working on your basic volumetric whitewashed model in SketchUp. I mean, we are talking no textures at all, just the model. I will export the view I want to render. I will upload the view I saved to ReRender. Choose my project type. So I can choose a single-family home and I want to choose a modern style. Maybe expressive high-tech sounds contemporary. The time of day would be sunset. This is so cool that I can already specify these settings now, instead of experimenting with the generated results later. After I specify the season and the sky, my favorite part is to define the architectural materials. Isn't this awesome? Now once I am through and I write my prompt, it could very well be that my prompt is a bit low on the necessary details. I would normally use ChatGPT to refine it, but with ReRender, I can just turn on the automatic prompt refinement toggle. Look at this! This is now my refined prompt and it's like it read my mind. Let's go ahead and hit render. And there we go! ReRender generates 4 images simultaneously, and to be honest, all the results are mind-blowing considering there were 0 textures in my model. I just love it. Wait, you thought I was done? Well, I just got started. Right at the bottom of the generated results, I can click on the video button. After choosing the camera movement for the video, I can click on the duration and hit generate. All of this from one textureless image. Check this out!